my Piper number 32 or the Rakes of Mallow. This is such a fun piece. It can be super bouncy and I just love playing, okay? Fiddles are fun. So A major yet again, so make sure that we have that high third finger on our D string. And high twos, we're on the tapes for the A and the E string. So let's look at our road map. We have a repeat at the end of the second line. So we go back to the beginning. But at the bottom of that repeat, I see a fine. So that's fine. We say fine. And so we play line 1, line 2, play line 1, line 2. Then we go on to line 3 and 4. And at the end, we have a DC L fine. So DC is D kappa, the top. And so go back to the beginning and end at fine. So we play 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So it's a fun piece. I want you to work this with the metronome and try to take it fast. I think it's fun to take in cut time. So see how fast you can take it. Just keep shortening up your bows. But before we get there, let's play it at a decent speed, something nice and relaxed. Bum, 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 bum. So let's do it at 90, and we will do the repeat and the DC L fine. We do not do the repeat on the DC L fine unless otherwise specified, and that's few and far between. All right, from the beginning, don't forget those high threes on your D string. 1, 2, beginning, go. Lift. Beginning, go. All right, so a couple of things that I would like to point out is, especially in the second half, I definitely keep my notes a little bit on the shorter side. Bum, ba-da, bum, 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 bum. It's not written in there. I feel that it keeps it more peppy, and that as I then take it faster, I will be able to keep that pep. If I can practice it slowly, then I should be able to slowly get it faster and faster. Then the other thing, in measure 3 and measure 4, I want you to have that G sharp and then that B down behind it, just the way that we did in all of these other exercises and other pieces that we've done. As we come down from measure 2, A, C, D, C, B, A, G sharp, B, bum, bum. I'm leaving my finger there and my bow is just hopping back and forth. And so I have to have a really good arm position for this. My wrist cannot be holding my instrument up for me as I play, because I have to be rounded and have that tunnel. And so that finger, that pad of that finger is not touching that A string so that it can ring out. And so, yeah, you can even do it as a double stop and listen to it. So have that and have that pep so that when you do take it, and so I do some of the open strings because I see it as a fiddle, and I like doing that open E so that it is a little bit tinny, because that's the style. All right, happy practice.